Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's gained a lot of traction in the fitness community: protein shakes. They can be incredibly useful, but there's also a darker side if they're misused. First, we shall tell you about benefits of protein shake and then misuses of these products. Then and last, we will also tell you that how much you need to intake protein shake. That mostly people ignore it, and one day these products become harmful for their health. So watch this video till end because this video is so informative and useful for you. Click on subscribe button and like this video. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the benefits. Protein shakes are an excellent way to supplement your diet, especially if you're active or trying to build muscle. They can help with recovery after workouts, making sure your muscles get the nutrients they need to repair and grow. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle synthesis. When you work out, your muscles undergo stress and tiny tears. Consuming protein afterward helps repair those tears, leading to growth and strength. And that's not all. Protein shakes are super convenient. They're quick to make, easy to carry, and can be consumed on the go. Perfect for those busy days when you don't have time for a full meal. Plus, for those who struggle to meet their protein needs through food alone, shakes can fill the gap. They can help maintain a balanced diet, particularly for people with higher protein requirements, like athletes or those doing strength training. For athletes, protein shakes can be a strategic tool. They help support endurance, recovery, and overall performance. Where it gets tricky: the over-reliance on protein shakes can lead to some significant health risks. Let's talk about the misuses of these products. First up, we have kidney stress. Excessive protein intake can put a strain on your kidneys, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. When you consume more protein than your body needs, it can lead to the kidneys working overtime to filter out waste. If your kidneys are constantly overworked, it can potentially lead to long-term damage. Digestive issues. Many protein shakes contain lactose or artificial sweeteners that can cause bloating, gas, and discomfort. If your body isn't used to such high protein levels, you might find yourself running to the bathroom more often than you'd like. And let's not forget the potential for weight gain. While protein is important for muscle growth, consuming more calories than your body burns regardless of the source can lead to unwanted weight gain. Some people mistakenly think that protein shakes are a magic solution, but they can contribute to excess calories if not monitored. It's crucial to balance your overall caloric intake with your activity level. Another concern is nutrient imbalance. When people rely too heavily on shakes, they often miss out on other essential nutrients that come from whole foods. A shake can't replace the vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Whole foods offer a wide range of nutrients that are vital for overall health. Skipping these can lead to deficiencies over time. Don't worry, because we have taken a best solution for protein intake quantities. Let's talk you about the strategies of protein shake that you must gain on daily basis. The quantity of protein you should get from protein shakes depends on several factors, including your age, gender, weight, activity level, and fitness goals. Here are some general guidelines to help you determine how much protein you might need. For most adults, the recommended dietary allowance is about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or about 0.36 grams per pound. If you're physically active or looking to build muscle, aim for 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram, or 0.54 to 1.0 grams per pound. Many experts suggest consuming about 20 to 30 grams of protein after a workout for optimal muscle recovery. Lastly, there's the psychological aspect. Some individuals may develop an unhealthy relationship with food and exercise, believing that shakes are the only way to achieve their goals. So, what's the takeaway? Protein shakes can be a useful supplement when used wisely. They should complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Consider incorporating whole food sources of protein, like chicken, fish, legumes, and nuts, alongside your shakes. And if you do use protein powder, opt for high-quality products without a ton of fillers or added sugars. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for next videos. Thanks for watching.